Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Well, as you can see, we're patching some miscellaneous holes that have been opened up to repair some stuff. We've actually cut a patch to fit, but we've run out of what we call drywall tape to tape those seams up, and we want to get the job done today. So we've done a little trick here. If you come over and take a look, we've actually laid this patch on the back of a larger piece of drywall. We've cut the drywall 2 inches wider all the way around. Then I've scored those lines, and we've actually started to peel off the pieces that we don't need. Just like that. See if we can get the last one off without ripping. There we go. So now we've got our patch and we have some built-in tape, and let's see how this looks. See, that's going to fit right on there, and then the tape will go right over top, and we can get this job done today. So we're going to just put a little bit of drywall mud more on there. And yes, when we're all done taping this in, we'll put a couple of drywall screws in to firmly hold the patch. Okay, let's see how that's going to work. That's what it looks like, and we're going to throw a couple of drywall screws in. That's what it looks like, folks. We just need to put a couple of coats of mud on top of that to finish that off. If you run out of drywall tape, now you know how to fix that patch. If you like what you saw, please press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.